with my friends and our class teacher is Al.
Dear Lord,
Be with us
throughout,
Guide us in all
guide us in all
we do and say,
we do and say,
at home and at play.
and at play.
Help us to love you,
Help us to love you,
Lord,
Lord,
and to love others.
and love others.
Take us safely to our home
Take us safely to our home.
in the evening.
In thy name, your name.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's get study for full anthem. Which encourage throughout the day. So to inspire with the thought, here comes Jesus. See my brain with new ideas daily. So here comes.
Here, not today's amazing fact. You do know? A record-breaking freediver can hold his breath for 25 minutes.
It is a good and never-ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which show awareness to God and society to God our nation. And that is possible. So now here comes unity for today's segment. Driver returns rupees 10,000 to rider who sent it by mistake in Bangalore. National route. Separate good
And all the students, good morning to one and all. My name is Kautam Naren from class 8, section B, and I was very excited when I was going through the chapter 1 of science, crop production and management, where they show how to grow a plant. So I conducted an experiment of growing a plant. So the day one, I have taken the green ground seeds, and then I have prepared the soil. I have done the seed purity test for the green ground seeds, as you have to soak the seeds for 1 day and they will become active. Then meanwhile I have prepared the soil for them and then sowed the seeds in day 2. Then in day 3 I observed the germination of the seeds. Then in day 4 the elongation of the radicle and the plumule.
This is about growing bryophyllum from leaves. Here you can see the plant of bryophyllum. This looks like a normal, but I have grown from its seed. I have learned in class 7 that bryophyllum reproduced by leaves. So I was very curious to know about this. So from here my journey was started. First of all I took a pot and put some soil in it. Then I planted a leaf, and along with this I added some cow dung and water in it daily.